Welcome back to my channel, guys. So if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. I post art and craft related video every alternative day. So today I'm going to show you Diwali related decoration videos. So keep watching. So first we are going to make is paper lantern. So for that I have taken a circle and I fold paper circle and I folded it into half. So do this to around 20 to 25 paper circles and take a rectangular paper like I have here taken here and apply the glue like I have shown, and you're going to stick this half circles that the circle we have folded, and now stick those half circle uh, like one by one, and do it until you stick all the paper circles. After that, just now attach this both the end. So for that, what I'm going to do is, so just apply the glue on the exposing side, that is the half circle which is not yet closed. So apply the glue on the one end and attach the another end to it, and it will look like this. So you can just keep it like this uh, around the tea light candle or something. But you want to make it if you want to make it into a lantern, then add this paper cutter like I have did here. So do that. Actually, I wasn't happy with how it turned out. So it was looking very bulky and very big. So what I did here is I cut it out the half of the length of that main body of the lantern and make it into two small lanterns. So you can see here, now it looks really cute. And now add the pink like handle to it. So it was all looking like pink, so I added some blue stripes around it, and to give it a festival look I added some mirror, round mirrors. So you can also use the stones or anything, but don't do over it or don't go overboard, because that will not look good either. Simply simple lantern look really nice, so keep it simple. For second DIY, we are going to make the candle holder. So I have taken here a 7 by 7 centimeter square paper, and now roll it into a cone shape, and we are going to apply the glue at the end of the paper, like I have shown here, and stick it very nicely, and make around 20 to 25 more of these cones. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to take a cardboard circle like this I have taken here, and we are going to just simply stick this paper cones to this cardboard. So it so stick this cone all around the cardboard one by one. so it will look like this. Now we are going to repeat the same step as we did for the first layer, and we're going to make a second layer out of it, and it will look like kind of a fuller flower. So keep repeating and keep adding the paper cones. And after 2 layers we are going to add some paper circles. So I have cut out a paper circle and we are going to stick it into the middle of the paper cardboard. And now add the tea light candle or diya into the middle of this, and you can keep it on the table or somewhere in your house. So now we are making another candle holder. So for that I have taken 12 centimeter by 10 centimeter paper, and we are folding 1 centimeter uh, paper from both the sides, and cut out the paper except that 1 centimeter paper that we have folded, so that the only middle part of the paper will get cut. And so stick this both the paper together and secure the both the end. uh, so now we are going to roll the paper, and you can see here how it looks. So that's to show that stripes we use smaller paper inside. So now we are going to attach both the ends of the paper, and you can use it as a tea light candle holder. Like you can keep a tea light candle in between, and you can decorate your table like this. It really look nice. So you can see here how nicely it is looking. So next we are going to make a water candle. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a shot glass or any glass, and we are going to fill it with the water, and into that we are going to add a very thin layer of oil. You can use any oil. So now we are going to use a plastic that came a thick plastic. Usually the plastic dabbas we get from the takeout, use that lid and cut out a very small hole inside that, and into that we are going to add a cotton uh, wig or a cotton thread, you can say. And uh, apply oil on the outer side of the uh, cotton, and put it in the water mixture, and light this wick. And you can see here how nicely this diya look. You can decorate the uh, this candle with adding a color, any choice of color, water, or adding some stones into it. It really looks nice, and I hope you like this DIY. So keep watching my other videos and subscribe to my channel for such videos. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.